Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan. Today I will tell you about a website that can help you remove image backgrounds and add different backgrounds on any device. So it is a website which can be run on any device. I will provide the link in the description. The website name is remove.bg. BG standing for background, of course. So this website looks like this. This is 100% automatic and free. You can upload a file, drop a file. If you have a image copied, you can paste it, and also you can put an image URL, which is a very good convenient way of using this website. So how this works: it has a stunning quality, as it says. It can help remove backgrounds from people. You can see right from here, this is the before and this is the after of the picture. You can use it to remove backgrounds for products as well, which is a nice touch. We mostly need it for products. And you can remove backgrounds from animals, and my favorite one is the cars. Sometimes we need those cars and we do not love the background, so that is why. And also for the graphic designers, the graphics one, you can copy any logo from any website from this method. So this is the 100% automatic, and it takes about 5 seconds to remove background from any photo you want. You can also add different backgrounds, which I will be showing you how to add backgrounds, and also you can customize and edit it a little bit. How this is going to work: simply go to the website and here scroll down a little bit. There is an option to upload image. If you have a downloaded image, simply select it and hit done. This will open up like this. As I am using my mobile device, that is why it is not opening up correctly on my phone, so I'm going the portrait way, and I am using a desktop version, so I can also go ahead and change it to mobile version as well. So this is how the mobile version of this website looks like. As you can see, the background is already removed, but there is an table in the image. So if you want to remove the table, this is how you can restore those background. If you want a simple little bit and hit erase, you can erase the table just like this. Simply highlight the section that you want to remove and the AI will do its job very well. So this is how you can remove the image. Now all of the background is now removed. So what if we need another background? Let's say this one. Let's check out some backgrounds here and there. You can choose whichever background that you like and that which one is suited for your picture. You can select it and let's see and explore some other backgrounds as well. So there are some pre-installed backgrounds that are available for you to choose from. This one looks sick. Okay, if you do not like the backgrounds or simply want just plain colors for memes, for example, you can do that here. So after you have chosen the background or simply just remove the background, hit download and your file will be downloaded. If you want to do a multiple backgrounds of a image, you can do that as well. Select different backgrounds and download those images and you will be good to go. If you want to download in HD, unfortunately you have to pay for a subscription, but I do not go with HD. I only download in the original quality. The quality is not that bad, but still that is good for you. If you are an industrialist or simply want the highest definition possible, then you should pay for it, because nothing in life is absolutely free. So this works for other images as well. For example, bikes, you can add up to different pictures and remove backgrounds for them. This is the removed background of a bike image. You can download that and see the background is removed, but that should work in other Photoshop's editors. What about some cars? Let's try and check out for cars if that works well. Yo, that is really sweet. The background is removed, but still we have the shadow of the car, which is a plus point. We need shadows in some pictures, but if you want to remove the shadow of a car in a picture, you can also remove that manually. You have to just hit remove and select it. Damn, this looks beautiful. Let's go ahead into the landscape mode. Nope, this site does not seem to have been optimized for the landscape mode. Very well, it still works on desktops. Yes, now if you have done your work, you can remove the pictures and go back to the original forms. Upload different pictures, copy and paste, and that's been it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Goodbye.